I've got a secret, easy way to launch a digital product, and I am not kidding. I made $2,203 in 4 days with it, and I used stuff that was already there, and I resold it. So the products are handed to you in a silver platter, or my hand here as the example. And I'm just going to share with you what it is. It's something not too many people are talking about. It's selling AI digital prompts. Now, stay with me here because I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. We're talking about AI prompts, but before I go with that, let me just show you the end result. I used this tool called Lovable. It is a AI tool that builds sales pages, websites for you. And I just fed it what's called an AI prompt. I'm going to tell you what that is in a second. And it created this whole sales page for me, like crazy bananas. And from the sales page, people bought it. All right. So what the heck is an AI prompt? So I need to go back to basics in case you're not sure what that means. Let me go into present mode here and share that with you. So AI prompts is like the digital gold rush for making, creating, selling digital products in 2026. And what the heck is an AI prompt? All right, let me tell you. Think of it like a magic spell for AI. You type in instructions and AI creates amazing content. The better the prompt, the better the output. So what that means is there's prompts that are writing prompts. You can generate blog posts, emails, ebooks, scripts in seconds. And here's an example of an ebook that one of my students created, Homework Without Tears, a 7-day system to end ADHD homework battles, right? You could create image prompts, create stunning visuals without design skills. In fact, maybe you clicked on this YouTube video and the thumbnail that was created through at least one of them through an image prompt. Okay. I say at least one of them because I typically test 3 different images that for my YouTube videos, and whichever one gets the most clicks, then YouTube automatically picks that to keep showing it to people. So I always test an image prompt versus something I made myself in Canva. And then there's business prompts, marketing plans, strategies, sales copy on demand. And so they're super powerful. And it's sort of like on the picture on the right here, you can see a computer with a steering wheel on it. So think of an AI prompt like the steering wheel for a machine. Like you're driving the steering wheel, you're driving artificial intelligence like ChatGPT, for instance, and the clearer and the sharper you turn, the better the AI drives. So what does that mean? The better the prompt, the better the output. Okay. So the simplest way to understand it is an AI prompt is a command plus context plus a goal all wrapped into one messaging. So examples of that would be write me a YouTube title that creates curiosity for a video about building an email list, or summarize the text in my voice, confident, straight shooting, no fluff, or give me 10 hooks that would stop a 50-year-old coach scrolling. Okay. So now that's all what a prompt is. And now I'm going to show you how to use it, right? To make money. Because that's what you're probably watching this, right? This video. And by the way, nice to virtually meet you. If you don't know who I am, my name is Maria Gudelis, and I've been doing this online marketing thing full time for well over 18 years. So I've launched and sold well over, wait for it, 100 digital products to over 25,000 people worldwide. So I just love it. And I want to share with you how to do it because it can give you freedom and financial security. Or even maybe you just want to make an extra $2,000 a month selling a digital ebook or a digital course product. This will help you. Okay. So basically, the prompt is you tell the AI what you want, how you want it, and why you want it. And it gives you a result. That's just plain and simple. So why AI prompts are pure profit. It's zero creation costs, 95% profit margin, and 24/7 passive income. So you sell while you sleep, vacation or binge Netflix, right? And it's great for beginners, especially if you're just wanting to make some extra money, or maybe you're a coach and you want to make some additional money to your business. The beautiful thing about it is no expertise is needed to use an AI prompt. You literally copy and paste. Now I'm going to share that with you. And you set it up in minutes. I'm going to prove it to you right now. And massive demand. Everyone wants AI shortcuts right now. So the problem is you're not an AI prompt engineer. I do not expect you to go pay $25,000 to MIT to become an AI prompt engineer. However, there is a pretty cool place that you can go to invest in. I'll include the link below. Okay. And it's called prompt shopped in a box. And this is what the classroom looks like. And she just gives you all these prompts like that you can resell as your own, put your name on it and sell it and make 100% of the profits. So here, for instance, I'm going to share with you the ultimate sales page replicator prompt, which by the way, when you invest in prompt shop in a box, you can resell this too yourself. There's just so many more, like 100K membership architect GPT, like telling you how to make 100,000. Okay. And there's all these other prompts here: social media sizzle pack, build a high ticket offer assistant. I've resold this for $17 and I made just of this one alone, I think it was like $410, the high ticket offer assistant. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch the video link below in the description of how I made $2,203 in 4 days. I outline 6 steps exactly how to do it, or just comment below 6 steps. I'll make sure you get that video. But I repackaged it. That's all I did, and just sold it. I literally, if you can copy and paste, you can do this. Okay, that's why I'm so excited about this. All right, so I'm going to come back to the prompt I want to demo to you, Ultimate Sales Page Replicator. This is 1/10 of what's in here. Okay, and what's nice about it, once you invest in these prompts that you can resell, Arlen keeps adding to it. Like this got added just either this morning or yesterday. ChatGPT 5.1 just came out yesterday, and Elite Business Vault. You have a whole bunch of 50 prompts custom made for you can use. But let's just go into this ultimate sales page replicator. Remember I mentioned copy and paste? I am not kidding about copy and paste. I'm going to make this even bigger so you can see it. So the instructions are: copy and paste the full prompt attached below into an AI agent like Lovable or Replete. An AI agent basically is kind of like you give it the AI prompt, like you tell it what you want, like your steering wheel, and it'll output it. So I want a sales page, a high converting sales page. It's going to create that for me. Okay. So the prompts in here, now I can't open it up and show it to you because that wouldn't be fair to everyone else who invested in prompt shop in a box, which obviously I hope that you do because you're going to love it. But let me just show you how to do it. So how you do it. I downloaded this already, and it's less than 1 page. It's about 3 paragraphs, maybe 4 paragraphs. And I put in my data, and my data meaning, and I'm going to go to Lovable here. This is like, it's a free site, Lovable.dev. It's a tool to build websites and apps. And there is a fee if you use it a lot. But I feel for the free version, if you just copy and paste this prompt, and if you don't have too many changes to make to it, you're going to be off to the races and have a sales page you can literally start using for free. Okay. So what we're going to do, and by the way, if you do want to pay for it, you can just check out pricing and see what the pricing is. I believe it's, yeah, $50 to start, but you could just, like, it used to cost $5,000 to build a website. So for $50, and then you can go back down to the free plan because it works on credit system, right? You get 200 credits per month, and you can see I barely used any credits. So that's what I'm saying. I'm pretty sure you can do this with the free version. So I'm going to attach, because I wanted to show and tell, right? So I'm going to attach the sales page example. So this is the prompt, right? It's in this Google Doc or Word doc. And then I'm just going to say, please make a sales page with this prompt attach. Now, I could attach also an image of myself and say put the image in first, but for the purpose of this demo, it's 4:45, and I'm going to hit enter. And let's see how many seconds it takes now to create the sales page. So this is what's happening. It's reading the prompt, what I want it to do, and it's writing all the code. So it's like a programmer in your pocket. Even if you don't understand one line of code, if you can copy and paste again, it'll create it for you. So on the left-hand side, see, it's thinking and it's creating it, and it's talking to me. It's saying, I'll create a beautiful sales page based on your document. Let me first analyze the content to understand what we're building. And by the way, it's really just fill in the blank in that build a sales page prompt, because I just told it the name of my product, how to create a digital product in 24 hours or less. I think it was something like that, or how to make 2K plus a month with a digital product. And it's creating the sales page, just thinking. So as I said, it was 4:45 when I started this. It's working, and it's almost done. Now it says awaiting further instructions. I encountered an issue. Could you please either share the key details about what you want the sales page to promote, product, upload the content as a text file or a PDF? Oh, interesting. I'd rather have a PDF. paste the text directly in the chat. Okay, well, you know what? I'm being real and just showing you exactly as if I were you using this. So we hit a hiccup, and you know what? You didn't break anything. So I'm just gonna, instead of saving it as a Word doc, I'm gonna save the prompt as a PDF and put it in. So hold on just one second. Okay, so I've saved it as a PDF. I'm going to attach it and let's hope this works. So now it's thinking, and I'm going to actually put on an online timer, online stopwatch, so we can see how long it takes. Is that cool? So let's just go online stopwatch and stopwatch start. So we're starting, and let's come back here to Lovable. And while that's working, so remember it's kind of building it as we go. I just want to share with you what this looks like. So this is what I created already and used it to make money. And I'm going to share with you what it looks like. Let's just kind of copy that, come over here, paste and go. This is the actual sales page I've already been selling from and it created. Start and grow your email list fast. Now, I did create this graphic here in Canva. I decided to do that instead of a video of myself. And then in the last 4 days, I made 2,203 selling $27 digital products. So this is selling a 5-day email list building challenge. And by the way, if you want to buy this, because having a list is so powerful in your business, it's your most powerful asset. If you comment coupon below, I'll gladly give you a $50 off coupon so that you can grab this for a smoking deal. Consider it my gift to you because you've lasted this far in this video with me. Okay. So it's like a hidden egg, like a treasure you just found. So don't forget to enter coupon below to get the coupon for it. So instead of paying $77, it'll be $27 for you, which is, gosh, what, less than 4 venti lattes made with oat milk and a shot of vanilla syrup. I don't know. And you can see here this goes through how to start building your list, build a funnel, get traffic organically, all that jazz. So while we're doing that, I'm just going to share the rest of the sales page. So then you just click this and it'll go to a checkout page. Okay. So that's pretty cool that it built that. So now we're at 1 minute. Whoops. What? Oh my goodness. Look at all these advertisements to me, right? Because I'm using a free tool. So we're at 1 minute, 51 seconds. Let's see if the sales page is done or if it stopped. Okay. So let's see. Oh, it's building it. See, right. It's like having a programmer in your pocket. I think I mentioned that before, but how cool is that? So it's saying, perfect. I'll create it with, this is a modern digital sales page with compelling copy, social proof, and strong CTAs. Design inspiration, modern SaaS digital product launches with gradient backgrounds, card-based layouts, and prominent CTAs. So can you believe that? Like, I'm going to stop share so you can see my eyes. So this is really important. I want you to see me right in the eyes. Oh my God, this is like having a professional copywriter. It typically costs to find a good copywriter. I know AI can write good sales copy too, but whenever I worked with clients, we used to have to 3,500 minimum to hire a copywriter to write the copy for the sales page. What I just showed you, it's writing the copy for us. So right now, I do not think it's an over exaggeration. I am saving you 3,500 from hiring a copywriter, and I'm saving you $5,000 to hire a professional graphic designer to design your sales page. Let me repeat that. I'm saving you 3,500 plus 5,000. So that's 8,500 of value by using these tools. We never could have done this 3 years ago. That's why I really believe it's the laziest way to create a digital product and sell it now because we have all these tools at our fingertips. So I'm just going to hit share. So my eyes were looking down for a minute. And so it's still working. Features I'll implement. How much time are we at? 3 minutes, 27 seconds. Do you want to make bets? Enter below what your bet is, how long you think it'll be to create this sales page. Maybe it's 5 minutes or less. Let's see what happens. I'm going to bet 4 minutes, 37 seconds. All right. So I got 1 minute from now. Let's hopefully it does it. Let's see. Let's get back to Lovable. So it's designing the system. Oh, it's done. Oh my God. Did anyone bet 3 minutes, 49 seconds? Did you? I'm going to hit pause because it has produced a sales page, right? So it's showing it to me, and look at this. It's saying as featured in Forbes, Fast Company, Inc. So I could obviously change that because, in all fairness, I've not been featured in Forbes or Fast Company. I have been featured in ABC and Springboard Enterprises and a couple other notable places, and I have books on Amazon, so I could actually just replace it with that. But how to make 2K plus a month with digital products, no experience required, no ads, no designer. So put in a video here because the prompt said put in a video because sometimes we would have a video of ourselves. But all I would say is replace that video with an image, right? So that's how fast I can do that. I can say, please replace the video with an image of my product. So let's just say instead of me, it's of my product. So I'm just going to grab an image of the product. I have it here. Let's see. So I'm just going to copy this image address, copy image address. I'm going to come over here of my product at, are you ready to see some magic? Okay. This is again, no programming coding, no someone you hired and you have to pay $50 to make a change to your website and say, hey, please replace this image. So I've asked it to do it and notice it's saying thinking here on the left. I don't know how much longer it's going to take. It shouldn't take long. But see, now it's going to grab it. It's downloading it. I probably could have uploaded the image. And while that's happening, oh, it's already done. Boom. So there we go. There it is. There's the image and see real results from beginners. And I can go ahead and publish it, right? So I can just hit publish. Are you ready? Are you ready? Publish. And then I'll say URL slug. You've emptied auto generate. Your project will be accessible at that. So I'll just say, what slug do I want it to be? What did I say this was? Digital product creation. So easy digital product, easy digital product. All right, so continue. Da, 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 da. So it's creating it. Now, you could buy a domain name like yeah, your name, awesomeproduct.com. Like in my case, my name's Maria. Maria's awesomeproduct.com. And redirect it to it or use it. But for now, I'm just going to use the Lovable domain. So you didn't even have to buy a domain. So I saved you another 10 bucks or 20 bucks there. So let's take a look what it looks like. This is real. This is live. This is actually on real live website. I can send traffic to this and make money. Okay. You can send traffic to this after you spent, look at that, 3 minutes, 52 seconds building this. Okay. So real results for beginners are using this passive digital product toolkit to launch, sell, and win fast. It came off this ad copy. Now, I would never use fake testimonials. So you would either take the testimonial section out or you would get 3 people to test out your product, give you 3 testimonials, and you put them here. Okay. And then how it works, 5 simple steps. Download your ready to sell products, customize with your branding, upload to your selling platform, promote and make sales, scale your business. So in this case, I could have said download your ready to sell AI prompts, right? Which is really digital products, because that's what you get when you come over here and buy Prompt Shop in a box. If you hit the About section, and I will make this smaller, so this is what it'll look like to you. Instead of saying invite people, because I've already bought it, obviously, and have resale rights to sell these prompts, you would just click join. And when you click join, you get in at a crazy phenomenal investment. Like I've already made 22 times back my investment from investing in Arlen's prompt shop in a box. And again, you'd come down here and start using all these prompts and reselling it. Okay. As you can see, I've only tapped into probably 20% of the prompts that are here. Like if you try to figure out even what kind of digital offer to make, you go into offer alchemy and you can get the prompts to cut and paste 3 offers to kickstart monetization, build a recession-proof side hustle, create a money-making offer, turn prompt into money-making tool, and all the prompts are in these PDFs. Literally, you copy and paste. So how cool is that? Okay. Plus, she's got a community. If you click over here, click community, people are asking questions, people are sharing their wins, and it's just a beautiful thing. So I highly encourage you to go get it below. And what else? I think that's everything I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, you're watching this video because you came here to learn how to make money online or how to maybe increase the amount of money you're making online, whether it's your first $2,000 or your next $2,000 or your next $2 million. Regardless, AI prompts is going to be or is now the laziest and easiest digital product to sell online in 2026 and for the rest of 2025. You literally copy and paste and resell something from also Arlen is a millionaire. She's made $1 million selling digital products. And why wouldn't you buy AI prompts from someone who's an expert at that and will help you sell it? So again, click the link below. And I created an easy to remember domain or name if you don't want to click the link below. It's marialikes.com/prompt shop. marialikes.com/prompt shop. Wishing you love and light. Cheers.